Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, let's continue with the measurement. So to measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch, simply press the up or down menu, rather up or down buttons on the home page, on the watch face, to open the glances. And now you can scroll through the glances by using the up and down button. Find the widget called Pulse Oximeter, Pulse Ox, and then if your watch is on your wrist, you can press the start/stop button and it should start measuring the blood oxygen levels automatically, as you can see. Let's wait for the result. And here we have it. And once you're done, you can press the start/stop button to take a reading. You can also open the settings right here to change the mode of the pulse oximeter. Basically, you can change it to during sleep or manual check all day. But if you select all day, it's gonna eat a lot of the battery. So I don't recommend it, but if you need to, you can select it. You can also select during the sleep, so it's gonna check your blood oxygen levels during the sleep. This also will eat the battery quite a lot, but not as much as whole day. And the manual check is the default one when you need to check it manually. Okay, you can also press the up and down buttons to check the statistics for the last week, for example, history. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button to go back. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.